learning experience. Okay. Yes, ma'am. I have I have to talk here about. I chose Eastern College London for my further study. It is located in central London, which address is Carmine Court 200 to Imperial Drive, Harrow, HA27SG. It has ranked fourth in London in National Student Survey and Eastern College ranked 136 in UK. And in 2024, UK Eastern College ranked top 30 universities in UK for teaching excellence. And there are 5 campuses in London, located in Holborn, Southall, Fitzrovia, Kingsbury, Great Wembley. And the student satisfaction and employment rate is 93 and 96%. And it has a strong reputation for providing students central learning experience with a focus on employability. The college offers flexible study option and a supportive environment. I choose MSc International Management. This course is related to my previous qualification. I have completed my graduation in 2024 from Deen Bandhu Chotu Ram University of Science and Technology, and I completed my BCom. And the subject I have studied in my BCom, that is account business, and this is relevant to my course. And I have learned about this core business and business strategy and innovation and many more. Okay, ma'am. There are 9 modules in my course. First is International Marketing Management. Second is Information System for Business Performance, HR in Global Context, Research Method, Dissertation, Strategy, Innovation and Entrepreneurship, Academic Skills and Professional Practice, Financial Management and Decision Making. My first module is International Marketing Management. It involves managing marketing activities to reach consumers in multiple countries. And second is Information System for Business Performance. It involves improving business activities for improving business activities by automating tasks, streamlining operation, enhancing decision making, and enabling communication and collaboration. HR in global context, it focuses on managing human resource, adapting practice to different legal, cultural, and economic environment. Yes, ma'am. I did not know the answer. Now I have to tell about previous qualification of criteria. जो आपने बताया था प्रैक्टिकल और मैम थ्योरी अलग अलग में, जैसे 100 मार्क्स को होता है 80 मार्क्स थ्योरी प्लस 20 मार्क्स प्रैक्टिकल. यस मैम. types of assessment you will be required to complete fall into two general categories: formative and summative. Formative assessment are activities that do not contribute to your overall module grade. They are, however, an integral part of learning strategy for a module, and you are required to complete them. They will be marked and you will receive feedback on your level of achievement. Summative assessment are those assessment activities for which the marks will be contribute to the overall module grade. You will also receive feedback on these assessments so that you will know what you have done well and where you can improve. Many different forms of assessment are employed the program for both formative and summative purpose. The major forms are coursework, case study, presentation, and examinations. Okay, ma'am. Okay, मैम शॉर्ट नहीं है कोई? After completion of my course, my job, now I have to tell about job roles, ma'am. As a financial manager, the job roles: financial manager can oversee the financial health of the organization. Financial manager provides performs various duty to remain the organization in profit, and there are some skill required to become success. Finance manager is communication skill, analytical skill, and organization skill. And the responsibility of the financial manager is maintain cash flow by reviewing banking activities, maintain monthly reports. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have tried in other MNC companies. There are many. As a financial manager, ma'am, I have applied in some other MNC company, same post, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. According to UKVA new guideline, living expenses is 1483 pounds per month and 13,347 per year. But according to my research, it will be 1800 to 2000 pound. That is accommodation 1200 per month, 1200 pound per month, and food 150 to 300 pound per month, utilities and internet 100 per month, and Entertainment expense £100 to £200.